and welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Zara Beauty in the and we are back with another video. If you are new to the Zara fam, make sure you hit that subscribe button, because what you waiting for, girl? Join the coolest family on the internet. Okay? Every single video I'm gonna shout out one member of notification gang. So yes, today's notification gang shout out goes out to Busola Cole. Yes, bitch, strong member notification squad. If you guys want to be shouted out on here, make sure you hit that notification button. Make sure you let me know in the comment section that bitch you is watching, bitch, and I will shout you out. So in today's video, I'm gonna show you guys how I get this blood bob cut thing. Yeah, I know I'm not naked. I got it a bando, bitch. This is my first time actually cutting my hair. I was actually very afraid. I was like, shit, if I should cut this hair wrong, I'm stuck with it forever. So I think I did a pretty good job. It is a wig, it is not a weave, and I am absolutely loving it. The hair is beautiful. Like, guys, you can see how gorgeous this hair is. This wig is from VallBest wig. They are an AliExpress company, bitch. So of course, you know, they are inexpensive, and they sent me their 14-inch straight wig. And when the wig first came out, I was like, bitch, how am I gonna work with this? That wig did not look good. But y'all know, with patience and effort, I was able to turn it into this. The cap construction is really nice, y'all. Like, it doesn't have those weird ass things at the back. It comes with a comb. It comes with the little elastic bands at the end, the one that you can clip. The hair itself is amazing. It's very soft. And when I washed the hair, it was straight. It actually washed straight. It did not wash wavy or anything. It washed bone straight. It was very easy to handle. I absolutely love the hair, and it's affordable. So I think you guys should definitely go check them out. I will leave all the links in the description box below. But yeah, guys, without further ado, hairdo, you get it? Okay, let's go on to the rest of the video.
So